All right. Hello, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon po to all of you. So welcome to the Coffee Business Opportunity presentation. This presentation will just last for around 30 minutes. So stick with me all throughout ng presentation natin. So just be reminded to please turn off all your cell phones, put it in a mute mode, at kung pwede, we sit sa posisyon na kung saan komportable po tayo. And if you have questions at the end of the presentations, you can message us dito sa ating chat box, or you can unmute later on. Right? Let's start. So our presentation tonight is all about coffee business. So may I introduce first myself to you? I am Josephus Gayon. I am a freelance director for corporate event, and I am also a master wholesaler and a franchise consultant, an entrepreneur and food cart owner of a food cart, Monster Waste. I'm a trainer and social media specialist, a worldwide top performer of House of Franchise and JC, and a car achiever of House of Franchise and JC. And that is the same company that I will be introducing to you throughout the night, right? So ano po ang presentation outline natin for tonight? We will have, I'll be discussing to you the market value overview of this coffee industry, wide coffee business, and uh, I'll be giving you a background of our company and how to earn and the ways to earn, and of course, the good news where so all of us can have this opportunity to have a coffee business and how to get started. Okay, so mabilis lang itong ating presentation. So stick with me to the very end para you'll get to know what the coffee business that I'll be giving it to you. Okay, so why coffee is the best product for you to start this year? Simply because of the market trends. Because according to the study, there are estimated globally around 161.66 billion sold by 2030. So ibig sabihin, if you can see, noong 2023, the coffee market was valued at around 16.14 billion. So pataas siya ng pataas yung kanyang demand. At ang consumer demand naman, globally, noong 2023, na reported at 175.6 million or of 60 kilograms of bags. So ibig sabihin, that's around 2.25 billion cups daily. Here in the Philippines, ang coffee market is expected by 2025 by 1.33 billion. At ang Pilipinas, the Philippines is considered as the second largest consumer of coffee in Asia. We are second in Japan, okay? And the country is expected to consume 7.4 million or 60 kilograms of bags of coffee by 2025. So, ibig sabihin, around 80% of the population consume 2.5 cups of coffee per day, which means annually, ang nakoconsume natin is around 3.78 kilograms. So, ganun siya laki yung demand pagdating sa coffee. And to think na we are in a tropical country, but yet ang hilig-hilig natin sa kape, diba? So, at sino-sino ba yung mga mostly na mga customers or consumers ng ating coffee? Number one dyan is the young adults and the millennials, and then of course the students, and then the working professional, and as well as the seniors. So sabi nga, coffee because adulting is hard. A bad day with coffee is better than a good day without it. And even I don't drink coffee to wake up, I was up to drink coffee. And coffee is the best medicine. So all of these sayings, yan lahat yung kumbaga sabihin na natin isa sa mga talagang pagdating sa mga Filipino, ang coffee talaga ay isa sa mga tinatangkilik natin na perfect partner every time na may meal tayo, breakfast man yan, even late night nagko-coffee tayo. Okay? So what are the brands na very popular here in the Philippines? So number one na dyan, syempre, ang Starbucks coffee, even ang Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, and the UCC. Also, ang isa sa mga innovation ng mga different cafes ngayon or mga fast food chain ay naglagay na rin sila ng mga cafe station like McCafe sa McDonald's, and even Dunkin' has its own cafe station na rin. So, what I'm going to introduce to you tonight is a coffee business that we call Coffee But Better. So why better? Well, simply because our coffee is infused with JC organic barley, and our organic barley is made in New Zealand. Later on, I'll discuss bakit sa New Zealand. Okay, fast fact, according to Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, barley grass is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to age. And it has a 68 micronutrients found only in barley grass. So meron diyang around 17 minerals, 16 vitamins, 17 enzymes, and 18 amino acids. So trivia, did you know that barley is 25 times richer in potassium, compared to bananas, 11 times richer in calcium than milk, 7 times richer in vitamin C than orange, and 5 times richer in iron than spinach, and 2 times richer in beta-carotene than carrot. So ganyan kasiksik or kadami ang nutrients at mga makukuha nating good nutrients para sa katawan natin sa ating barley product. And there are conditions na kung saan the barley responds. So waiver lang, ang barley, it's not a medicine but a supplement na kung saan it can help you either mawala yung risk or hindi ka magkaroon ng risk sa ganitong mga sakit na nakalista dito like heart diseases, cancer, prostate cancer, diabetes, high blood, kidney disease, detox, okay, infertility, shortness of breath, tumor of formation, dysmenorrhea, mental tiredness, stroke, gout. So lahat ng nakita nyong list here are the conditions where the barley can respond. And our JC barley, as I mentioned, is made in New Zealand or manufactured in New Zealand. Why New Zealand? Because in New Zealand, it's considered to have a fertile land and ibig sabihin, hindi polluted yung ating, yung kung saan nag-grow yung ating barley. And we are located or available worldwide, hindi lang in the Philippines. We distribute in Italy, in Canada, Singapore, Dubai, Switzerland, Taiwan, Abu Dhabi, even in Qatar, Spain, Madrid, Malaysia. And we are FDA approved, halal certified, and those country na kung saan I mentioned kanina, yung mga Ministry of Health nila, approved din nila because of the quality, and our barley is not just quality, it is world-class, pure, natural, and organic. And that's, I keep on repeating na itong ating barley is made in New Zealand. Okay, so ano naman ang meron sa ating JC barley coffee na infused with barley? So it is made of 100% Robusta beans sourced from the finest plantation in Vietnam, and we use plant-based stevia extract as sweetener. So perfect din ito sa mga mahilig magkape pero diabetic. So we use a plant-based stevia, which is a alternative sweetener ng sugar. So, but first, let me tell you yung story ng company. We started in 2013. We are the leading health and beauty and wellness company, and we have founded noong 2013. And we have headquarters and business centers all over the world. We have in Philippines, in Cebu, in Manila, and Davao. We also have in Asia, in Taiwan, in Singapore, Malaysia, also in Middle East, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, and we have in Europe, Switzerland, by the way, another Middle East in Qatar, and in Europe, we also have in Italy, and we have in America, in Canada, and soon we'll have in USA. And sino ba yung mga founder ng company natin na JC? So JC is headed by our CEO and our president, Mr. Jonathan So, and our vice president and CFO, Mr. Carlito Macadangdang. These young gentlemen are billionaires and have been recognized to different award bodies in the industry, like the People Asia Awards, the Guillermo Mendoza Award, the Quill Awards, even the Asia CEO Awards, and the many more pa na mga award-giving body sa business industry. And also, we have been, our bosses have been featured sa different mga magazine like People Asia, also in Shine Tigers, okay, in CNN, ABS-CBN, even GMA. So lahat ng mga na-feature na sila in different magazine, business magazine, even sa mga TV shows. Ayan. And our JC product, especially our barley, has been awarded as Best Natural Supplement of the Year noong 2023. Even it has also been awarded as a Health and Wellness Company of the Year, the JC Company, noong 2021, and an MLM Company of the Year noong 2020. And our brand ambassador is Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. He's a famous celebrity here in the Philippines. So how can you earn from coffee? So the first question is, do you know anyone who drinks coffee at least once, twice a day, or occasionally, morning, afternoon, or night? So if you know someone, then take note of that person. Also, how do you drink your coffee? Some of you may be taking black, even frap, or creamy. And thirdly, what's your favorite coffee brand? So, of course, I mentioned some of the coffee brands kanina. And I'm sure one of these brands, madalas tayong nagiging tambay dito sa mga cafe na ito. So the big question here is, when was the last time your favorite coffee brand gave you an income by drinking or recommending their coffee? I'm sure ang sagot ninyo, of course, hindi. Enjoyment lang ang meron, right? For dito, that's why the coffee business that pays is what we call coffee but better. So this coffee business that I'm going to introduce to you is not just for your enjoyment, not just a healthy coffee, but also you can earn from it. So how to earn from a JC business, JC coffee business? So number one is through retailing. So you can start earning through selling through your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, and online friends, and earn up to 24,000 per month. So let me give you a detail for this. So halimbawa, first one of retailing is you can prepare a 2 bottles of coffee and sell it for 140 pesos. And if you sell 10 bottles per day, you earn 60 pesos per bottle, and then at the end of the day, you can earn up to 600 pesos. And if you multiply it by 30 days, you can earn as much as 18,000 per month. Again, this computation is not, will only be estimated based on how many you can sell during the day, okay, or within the month, okay? So also, through retailing, you can also sell the boxes, or what we call box of JC Barley Coffee Classic, or the JC Barley Coffee Mocha. So one box, if you sell 2 boxes, you can earn as high as 400 per box, and you can earn 800 per day, multiplied to 30 days, and you can earn as much as 24,000 per month. Also, you can open your store. So we have different kind of concept store, which I'll discuss to you, and I'll give it to you in a while. So if you sell 100 cups per day in your store, you can earn 60 per cup, and then you can earn 6,000 per day, and multiply it to 30 days, you can have a sale of 180,000 less your operational expenses. You can earn 90,000 per month. So what are the concept stores that we have in Coffee But Better? We have a cart type, which is actually we call it a mobile store. You can move it anywhere. Kumbaga, if you have, this is perfect sa mga area na maliit yung space, and yet pwede mong ilipat anywhere. Okay, the van type naman, ito naman yung steady type. Mas malaki ng konti sa cart type, but this one, pagka nailagay mo na siya sa area, this should be fixed na sa area. Also, we have the stall type. The stall type is the one na merong dining area or may sitting area ang customer natin. But yet, this can be installed outside the venue na target ninyo or location, while the store type is the actual restaurant type or the cafe type na merong complete accessories. Even you can have your own Wi-Fi there, pwedeng magstay yung mga customer ninyo to enjoy the coffee as well as enjoy the place. So what are the menus that we have in the coffee but better? We have different types, the hot, the iced, and the frap type. And our product ranges from 80 to 200 pesos. Remember, all our coffees are infused with barley coffee. And we also have, part of the menu is we offer the barley juice. Also, when you franchise, you'll get a design, and the company will also provide the apron for the uniforms of your crew. So how much is the franchise fee for each concept? The cart type is 248,888. The van type 488,888. Stall 988,888, and store 988,888. So inclusive is you have your initial products. We call it a wholesaler set. You also have your fabrication cost, the cash bond, the equipment and utensils, even yung delivery fee and other admin and cleaning materials fee. So if you're interested to have your own coffee shop, you can scan this QR code and contact Mr. Gary De Leon, or call at his number, or email here at franchising@jcpremier.com. So another way of earning in coffee business is through drop selling or online selling, where you can start earning through drop shipping or the e-commerce online selling. We have a platform, a ready system where your customers can order sa ating mga online platform or online shop links, and you can earn up to 24,000 per month. So let me just break it down again. So if you sell 2 boxes in our JC shop link, you'll earn 400 per box, and you multiply it by 2 boxes. So it means you can earn 800 per day, and multiply by 30 days, you'll earn 24,000 per month. You can also prepare a drink and sell it through your food delivery app like TokTok or GrabFood or Food Panda. And you can sell it at 140 pesos SRP. And if you can sell 10 bottles and multiply it by 60 pesos per bottle that you'll earn 600 pesos per day, time multiplied by 30 days, that will be 18,000 per month. And in a wholesaling, you can start earning through selling products in wholesale. This is the biggest income opportunity, and you can earn up to 70,000 to 450,000 per month. And how to do, or how to achieve, or the simple steps in doing the wholesaling. Step 1, first, you have to drink your coffee daily. You yourself, you have to try the product so that you'll know how to sell it. And then step 2, you share your coffee to your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, and online friends. And step 3, sell at least 2 to 4 full set of coffee to your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, and online friends. Remember that once they avail the wholesale set, they will also be entitled to earn from JC Coffee business as a wholesaler. So, in the step 4, you teach your friends, family, relatives, and colleagues, and online friends to do the same, to do the step 1, 2, 3, and so on, until you get your, what we call, your team. So how to be an authorized wholesaler of JC Coffee business globally. So if you're going to avail, there are different types of wholesaling set that we call. The first one is the wholesaler, where we will supply, or the company will supply 60,000 worth of products when you avail of a wholesaler set. And the initial promo, you can get it at 53,664, and you'll get a savings of 6,336. And on your next purchase, you'll have a discount of 43,000%. So what is included? You'll become an authorized wholesaler and retailer. You'll have a doable and profitable business. lifetime privileges and inheritance, easy to manage, ready business system, entitles to access all branches globally, and entitled for royalty, rewards, and rebates, which I will discuss later on. So let's take, for example, a computation. For example, if you sell a 200,000 worth of JC Barley coffee because you have a 43% profit for every boxes that you sell. So at the 200,000, you'll earn 86,000 pesos. And if you sell 1 million worth of JC Barley coffee, you'll get to earn 430,000. That's the 43% of 1 million. Remember, this is a lifetime business. So this computation is based on, will be based on how fast can you sell your JC Barley coffee. The second type of wholesale set that you can avail is what we call super wholesaler. So you'll get an initial product supplies of 140,000 worth of JC Barley coffee, and you can get it at the promo price of 125,216 pesos. The profit or the savings that you'll get is a 14,784, and you'll have a 47 discount on the next purchase. Same privileges and benefits that you'll get as a wholesaler. You'll get a ready business system. You'll have an easy to manage business, a doable, profitable business. You're entitled to royalty, rewards, and rebates, and so on. And the sample computations, if you sold 200,000 of JC Barley coffee, it means that 47% of it is your profit, which is around 94,000. And if you sold 1 million JC Barley coffee, you'll get a profit of 47,000 or 470,000 pesos as a profit. And as a mega wholesaler, this is the third type of our wholesaler set, the mega wholesaler. The actual supplies that you'll get is worth 300,000 pesos. And you'll get it for the initial promo price of 268,320 pesos. And therefore, you have a profit or savings of 31,680. And on your next purchase, you'll have a 50% discount on the following purchases that you'll have. Okay? And you'll get all the privileges and benefits I mentioned a while ago. So sample computation, if you sold 200,000 worth of JC Barley coffee, 50% of it means you can earn up to 100,000. And if you sold 1 million worth of JC Barley coffee, it means 50% of it is 500,000 pesos. And as a master wholesaler, this is what we call the VVIP or the VIP set. You'll get a supplies of 620,000 pesos in an initial promo price of 554,520. The savings, 65,472. And you'll have a 60% discount on the next purchases that you'll get. And you'll have the most exclusive wholesaler set, priority privilege status, bigger income potential, authorized wholesaler, doable and profitable business, lifetime privilege, easy to manage, ready business system, entitled to access all branches globally, and entitled to royalty, rewards, and rebates. Master wholesaler, sample computation, if you sold 200,000 of JC Barley coffee, you'll get a 60% profit, cost 120,000 pesos. And if you sold 1 million worth of JC Barley coffee, it means you have 60% profit or 600,000 pesos. So to summarize everything that I've said, these are the types of wholesaler set that you can avail. And this is in promo. As you can see, instead of the usual 60,000 for the wholesaler, you're only getting to 53,664. And you save 8,336. And on the next purchase, you'll have a 43% discount. And your total profit, if you sold 200,000, is around 86,000 pesos. And for the super wholesaler, you'll have the initial promo price of 125,216 a 47 discount in your next purchase, and you'll have a profit of 94,000 or 47% in your 200,000 worth sold JC Barley Coffee. For the mega one, mega wholesaler, you'll get an initial promo price of 268,320 from the original 300,000 pesos. So you save 31,880, a 50% discount on your next purchase, and 50% earnings or profit if you sold 200,000 is 100,000. And lastly, the biggest and the most exclusive set is the Master Wholesaler, which you can avail for the promo price of 554,528, a savings of 65,472 with a discount of 60%. So if you sold 200,000 worth of product, it means you'll get 120,000 pesos earnings. So one of the privileges of being a wholesaler too is you get to have to choose a store type if you want to open a store. So if you get a wholesaler, you can have a cart or a van. If you avail of the super wholesaler, you get to choose between the four types, the four concept stores, even if you're a mega and even a master wholesaler. So later on, if you stick with me up to the very end, you'll get a very good news from the company, because this is regarding the franchise fee. Okay? So before that, let's discuss first the 3 R's, or the royalty, rewards, and rebates. This is one also of the privileges of being a wholesaler. So being a wholesaler, you'll have a chance to earn up additional on top of what I've discussed a while ago, earn up to 90,000 pesos. This is what we call royalty. So per month, you can earn 90,000. So how does this work? This is a potential income on wholesale transaction of your direct wholesaler. So it means that if you have friends, relatives, family, colleagues, online friends who avail of your wholesaler, it means it is considered as your direct wholesaler and you can earn through them. So these are the bonuses that the company gives. We call it wholesale bonus and wholesale match bonus. These are royalties that they gave because you're creating your team here in the company. The second one is the rewards. These are free rewards. There are different kind of rewards. One of these is travel rewards. This is where you earn points from all wholesale transaction of your team. Also, we have car rewards, and we also have house rewards. And lastly, we have shopping rewards. So these are free incentives that the company gave once you reach a certain points in your wholesale what you call this, your wholesale journey here in the company. Ayan. So rebates naman, the rebates, you earn 50K to 450K per month. So this one, potential income from a product retail sales of your team. So since those who become your team as a wholesaler, nagiging retailer din tayo, so nagbebenta tayo ng mga tinatawag nating tingi-tingi. So this one, you also earn through this a certain points sa bawat nabebenta nating mga products natin under JC. Okay? So here are some of the real people, real result. We have housewife, we have different profession in life, even hindi nga professional, do this job and earn, do this the business and they earn this much. So as you can see, we have June Ashley Adolf, who earned 36,373.94 by through drop shipping. We also have a seafarer like Christian Cañero, who earned 107,087 pesos. So ito yung ilan sa mga naging successful or naging wholesaler natin dito sa business, at ito na yung mga kinita nila. And here are other business partners that we have na nag-earn na rin, like si Miss si Sir Raymond Baranda, who earned 303,722. King Mark Pinos, who is a former cabin crew, and earned 555,499. So, ito lang yung ilan sa mga few of the successful wholesaler that earned this much. So, kung napansin niyo, this is more than to what they avail of. So, what's the good news? So, ang good news ngayon, so, wala tayong membership, no membership fee, no joining fee, not even a sign-up fee. And ang mga perks and benefits natin, you become an authorized wholesaler, you'll get a doable and profitable best business, lifetime privilege, inheritance, easy to manage, ready business system, and entitled to access all branches globally. So first good news is first, naka-waive yung mga franchise fee ng mga cart. So if you're going to avail of the cart, van, or stall, or store, naka-waive siya ngayon. So ibig sabihin, you'll just have to avail the wholesaler set, which is amounting to 53,664, or as high as 125 to 116, or what we call the mega wholesaler set. That's 125 to 116, and you'll get an option to have your own cart, van, stall, store without paying the franchise fee. That's the good news. So limited time offer only. Hindi to lifetime. Nag-start to last year, and they're just stretching the promo, since we are targeting as high as 100 stores within the year. And the next one is, kung hirap kayo dun sa mga binanggit ko, so you can have what you call a starter wholesaler, which you can avail the promo price of 17,888. You'll still get a discount of or a profit or savings of 2,112, and a 40% discount on the next purchase. So magiging authorized wholesaler din kayo. Also, you'll get this doable and profitable business, a lifetime privilege at pwede nyo ipamana, inheritance, and easy to manage and ready business system. And you are entitled to access all branches globally and entitled to royalty rewards and rebates. So lahat ng nabanggit ko na ng privilege and benefits ng mga wholesaler, magiging kahit na ang inavail lang ninyo is starting wholesaler, promo price pa rin na 17,888, you get all the same privileges. So, let me give you a quick computation. For example, nakasold ka ng 200,000 worth of JC Barley Coffee. It means 40% of 200,000, that's 86,000 pesos. And if you sold 1 million of JC Barley Coffee, that's 40% or 400,000 pesos na earnings ninyo. Yan. So you have to make one decision lang to change your life. So with all those I presented kanina, so all you have to do is to try. So how to get started with your own JC Coffee business? Let me first give you the summary first. So including the starter wholesaler. So you can have a screenshot of this para you can decide kung alin yung kukunin yung wholesaler set. You'll get the starter, the wholesaler, the super wholesaler, the mega wholesaler, or the master wholesaler. So first, you just have to fill up the application form. You give the name, address, contact number, email address, and the other fields na i-request ng inyong sponsor or the one na mag-a-assist sa inyo. Secondly, you can select different mode of payments. Okay, you can have a cash payment, check payment, online banking, or debit card. We all sort of cards meron po tayo. At ang good news, we have a partner business center here in Laguna. So if you need faster transaction payment, you can message me para I can help you assist kung paano nyo makukuha ng mas mabilis or maging part kayo ng makuha nyo yung initial products ninyo or initial inventory. And lastly, you have to contact the authorized wholesaler to assist you to process the application. So If you sign up today, so this is my surprise for you too, I will give you the complete recipe video of our coffee menu once you become our wholesaler. So take note, you don't have to avail your store if you cannot afford, because of course there's operational expenses. But since we are committed to help you do your business in the best way we can. We'll give you the menu, the coffee menu, the video of coffee menu para you can have it sell. So sell it to your friends, papatikim ninyo or maging earnings ninyo. But you have to become a wholesaler. So whether it's a starter wholesaler, it's fine with us. We can give you this free menu video. Okay? So all you have to do para ma-claim yan is you have to, once you avail na, you have to like and follow me and message me through my social media accounts, Master Sepoy Bstock, or you can have me in my Instagram at Josefos Gayona or my TikTok, Sepoy Gayona. Nagre-reply lang ako sa Instagram and sa Facebook, sa TikTok. Just like me there, manood ka lang ng video para you know how to market your this product. Okay, so again, that's it, the JC business opportunity. So thank you so much and welcome to the good life. All right. Tanong,